Hello and thank you for visiting the Dashboard Builder. In this video, I'll teach you how to use the drag and drop tool to create a KPI chart in the Dashboard Builder in only a few clicks. Before we begin, let's go over the prerequisites. The Dashboard Builder can be installed any platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac and Ubuntu, or any other platforms support Apache. Create a folder named Dashboard Builder. Download the Dashboard Builder from dashboardbuilder.net and copy the zip in it. Unzip the file. Now open the browser and access the browser through URL. This is the welcome screen. Close it as we don't want to take a tour. First and foremost, we must choose a dashboard theme. Then, select a theme. I'll be using the Fall Fire theme, so click on it. Press the Apply button. Now, in the following step, I will connect to our MySQL database and retrieve the data from it. Select the database icon. Select the MySQL database. Enter the URL of your host server. Enter database user. Enter password. Here, enter your database name. Now click the Connect button. Click the OK button. This green tick shows that your database is connected. Double-click the navbar to open Chart Settings panel. I am going to use KPI chart for my chart. Units sold will go to the y-axis. We'll use average in the formula. Enter 5,000 in the target value. Hit the Save Changes button. Change the size and position. We have created a beautiful KPI chart. That's all I have for now. I hope this was informative, and thank you for watching. Please follow our channel to be notified of new videos and tutorials.